This is the fourth video in my series on three-phase power transformers. In this video, I'll be looking at the theory behind this topic, which you will find very easy to understand. You can find out more on this subject in my course entitled Electrical Three-Phase Power Transformer Fundamentals. You can access this and my other courses on my Stand Store at this web address. The primary and secondary phase-to-phase voltage relationship are both the same with respect to their respective phase-to-neutral voltages. The primary phase-to-phase voltage leads the primary phase-to-neutral voltage by 30 degrees, and the magnitude is √3 bigger. Similarly, the secondary phase-to-phase leads the secondary phase-to-neutral by 30 degrees, and the magnitude is √3 bigger. The turns ratio of this transformer is given by the phase-to-neutral primary over the phase-to-neutral secondary voltages. Because the phase relationship, the line-to-neutral voltages can be written in terms of the line-to-line voltage, which, as you can see, can also describe the turns ratio. When analyzing these transformer connections, for the most part, if not all of the time, we are considering the system to be balanced. That is, we have balanced voltages that are equal in magnitude and 120 degrees apart. So if we wanted to develop the per phase analysis of a transformer that was Y-Y connected, the per phase equivalent of this transformer would look like this. We would be using the line to neutral voltages both for the primary and secondary, and if we were to convert the secondary line to neutral voltage to the primary line to neutral voltage, we would have to multiply by the turns ratio, which is designated as A here. And if there was current flowing in this single phase equivalent, then the ratios of the line currents would be the inverse of the turns ratio. In other words, if we wanted to calculate the secondary line current, we'd have to multiply by the turns ratio. And this video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. Some of those products include 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 big and small standby generators. This is the best time to try out any of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 products because they are having a huge sale starting on April the 4th and lasting until April 21st. Here are just a few of their products, starting with the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂 Delta Pro Ultra, including the River line of smaller standby generators. And a range of portable solar panels. And finally, a unique product, the Wave 2, which is a portable air conditioner / heater. As I said, this is the best time to try out any of 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's products because it is having a huge sale starting April the 4th and lasting until April 21st. During this time, you can experience huge savings off the original market price. To obtain more information on this subject and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/4/lowercase b/t.ly/4D_x77. Before we end this video, I want to repeat the connection to my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators and the 5% discount code for all EcoFlow products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my stand store.